How do living organisms create bioluminescent streetlights? Imagine walking down a street glowing softly with natural light, no electricity needed. It sounds like science fiction, but living organisms can actually produce light in ways that could light up our cities sustainably. Some bacteria, algae, and even genetically modified plants can emit light through natural chemical reactions. This process is called bioluminescence, and it involves special proteins that react with oxygen to produce light without heat, often called cold light. At the heart of bioluminescence is a chemical reaction where an enzyme named luciferase acts on a molecule called luciferin. When luciferase and luciferin meet in the presence of oxygen, they produce photons, which are tiny particles of light. Different living things have evolved this ability for purposes like attracting prey, communication, or hiding from predators. Scientists are now exploring how to use this natural ability for eco-friendly lighting in urban areas. One approach involves growing bioluminescent bacteria inside clear containers filled with nutrient-rich salt water. These bacteria, like Vibrio fischeri, glow when oxygen is supplied. The bacteria metabolize nutrients and emit a gentle light. These systems need only small amounts of energy to circulate air or nutrients, making them very efficient. Currently, the brightness is enough for decorative lighting or signs, but not bright enough to light entire streets. Another promising method is genetically engineering plants to glow. Researchers have transferred bioluminescence genes from marine organisms into plants like tobacco or watercress. These plants glow visibly, and the idea is to line streets with such glowing greenery. They could provide ambient light without electricity and absorb carbon dioxide, helping reduce pollution. The challenge is that these plants produce only a faint glow, so they are better suited for decorative or supplementary lighting rather than full street illumination. Some companies are considering hybrid solutions that combine bioluminescent organisms with traditional lighting. This can help cut energy use, lower carbon emissions, and reduce light pollution that harms wildlife and humans. Bioluminescent lighting could be used for signage, decorative features, or lighting green spaces, creating a softer, more natural glow. From an environmental science point of view, using living organisms for lighting aligns with developing sustainable solutions. It taps into renewable biological resources that can be cultivated and recycled. This kind of lighting produces no harmful emissions, unlike fossil fuel-based electricity. While these technologies are still in early stages, they show promise for making urban environments more eco-friendly. In summary, living organisms create bioluminescent streetlights by using natural biochemical reactions involving proteins like luciferase and molecules like luciferin. These reactions can be enhanced or transferred into plants and bacteria to produce light. Although current limitations mean they are mostly used for decorative purposes, ongoing research aims to increase brightness and practicality. These methods could eventually help cities reduce energy consumption and environmental impact while adding a touch of natural beauty to urban spaces.